Hello children. In previous session, we have learnt about some land animals. We learnt about polar bear, we learnt about camel. We saw that polar bear lives in extreme cold climate, whereas camel lives in extreme hot climate. Now, today we are going to learn about some more land animals, their physical features, their food habits, how do they survive in various type of climate. So, let's begin today's session. Students, have you ever wondered how it would be to be a monkey? How cool would it be to swing from tops of the trees, munching leisurely on exotic fruits? What a great fun it would be! So, today we are going to learn some interesting facts about monkeys. Before that, would you like to see a video of monkeys, children? Let's begin then.
They don't look like a regular primate that has four limbs. They have an additional limb that is their tail. So they really look as like spiders when you look at them in the hand. Spider monkeys are one of the largest primates in the Americas. They can weigh up to 10 kilos, and they are quite amazing because when you look at them, and probably that's why they get their name, they look like spiders. Prehensile tail is a tail that can be used to grab from any substrate. It is like having an additional hand, literally with a single finger. In fact, they have like a bear skin pad on the underparts of the tail, but it has a very, very detailed precision in order to grab from any kind of substrate.
Children, have you saw how monkeys are jumping from tree to tree very easily and very quickly because their arms and legs help them to climb trees and hold on to branches. Monkeys can also use their tails to hold on. Their tails are very long and strong. They are capable of holding on to branches like an extra hand of monkey. So it's very useful for them to move from one tree to another tree. And see how they feed themselves. They eat fruits, seeds, nuts, flowers available on the trees. But some monkeys also can eat meat. They eat meat in the form of birds' eggs, small lizards, insects, and spiders. They can eat leaves, fruits also, and they can eat flesh of other animals also in form of small insects or birds' eggs. What does it mean that? It means that they are omnivorous animals. Now, let's move ahead.
Spider monkeys start using their prehensile tails very early. In fact, after a couple weeks old, baby spider monkeys will ride on their mom's back. And it's very interesting that they wrap their tails around their mom's tail, and this is like a seat belt, like a security belt that they have for hanging tight to their mothers. I think prehensile tail is a very unique adaptation because monkeys that have a prehensile tail are able to hang from their tail while they're foraging and then free their hands in order to be more efficient. They can also hang from their tails while wrestling and playing with other members of the group. But especially when they're moving along the or across the canopy, they're able to secure themselves while jumping from one tree to another. So it's an additional security for them, especially being large-bodied primates that live 30 to 5 to 50 meters above the ground.
So, I hope you have enjoyed the video, students. Monkeys are the animals who lives on trees, and we saw that their arms and legs help them to climb trees and hold on to branches. They can also use their tails to hold on the branches. Sometimes, if there is any danger for them, if possible, they run away from that place or climb trees. Sometimes they can scratch also, claw, bite, strangle, and beat to defend themselves from attackers. They also have a network to warn one another when they see predators. Since we can say that they are social and intelligent animals like us, because like human beings, they also can think, they can identify their dangers, and they can make alert from the danger, and they will save life of their friends also. So promise me, children, you will never hurt any monkey or any other animal whenever you see them, because many a times people are making fun of these monkeys roaming around the temples or in the mountains in search of food. Now, if you will observe carefully, what do you see in the next picture? Could you guess which is this animal? Yes, it's a giraffe, and it's the tallest land animal on the earth. The giraffe lives in grassland with tall grasses and some trees. It eats leaves. Its long neck helps it to reach the leaves or tall trees. Now, what does mean by grassland, children? The grassland is a place or an open area of land covered with grass, specially used for grazing the animals. Now, giraffes eat leaves. It means that they are herbivorous animals. Their long neck helps them to reach the leaves or tall trees. They drink water when it is available, or they can live with very less water also. Means, like camel, giraffe is also an animal which can live without water for many days. Do you know, children, giraffes sleep only for 5 to 7 minutes in a day. Like, see, we need rest. So, in a day, we sleep at least for 6 to 7 hours. But, like a horse, you know that horses don't sleep. Same way, giraffe is an animal which sleep only for 5 minutes in a day. And all the time they are standing. While sleeping also they are in a position of a standing, because they are very tall animals and it's very difficult for them to sit easily on the ground. Now you might be thinking that their neck is very long, so there must be many bones in their neck. But it's not true. Like human beings, giraffes also have 7 bones in their neck. These are some important facts about the giraffes. So now we will see a video which will show you some important facts about the giraffes. So let's see a video.
Let's learn about giraffes. With long, long necks and long legs, giraffes are the tallest living land animals. Some giraffes reach a height of more than 17 feet. They are mammals, which means they are warm blooded. They have fur and they feed their babies milk. Giraffes live in Africa, south of the Sahara Desert. They prefer to live in open woodland or grassland where they eat the leaves from trees that other animals can't reach. Giraffes are herbivores, or plant eaters. They can eat leaves from acacia trees because their long tongues and tough lips let them eat around the thorns. Lions will sometimes kill and eat giraffes, but usually the giraffes' long necks let them see trouble coming and they just run away before the lions can catch them. That's why giraffes travel in herds. There's always someone watching for trouble. To stay safe, giraffes stay standing up almost all of the time. They eat standing up, they sleep standing up, they even have their babies while they're standing up. You might think that the giraffe's neck has a lot of bones in it, but that's not true. They really only have 7 bones in their neck, which is
Children, you can see in this picture that there are only 7 bones in the neck of the giraffe. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one, this is fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So, like human beings, giraffe also have only 7 bones in their neck, and this is their body structure.
the same number that a person has. Theirs are just much, much bigger. Sometimes, male giraffes will fight over who is in charge of the herd. They fight by swinging their necks at each other. It may not look like fighting, but giraffes can really be hurt in these. Giraffes are not an endangered species, but they are not as common as they used to be. You may not know it, but there are actually different kinds of giraffes. We can tell the difference between them by looking at their spots. Different kinds of giraffes live in different parts of Africa. The giraffe that is usually seen in zoos is called the reticulated giraffe. You might recognize the pattern of its spots. I hope you enjoyed learning about giraffes today. Goodbye till next time.
So, enjoyed the video, children. I hope you have understood the facts about giraffes and monkeys. If you have any queries, you can see this video again and again so that you will get the concepts clear, and watch the videos also again and again, and try to remember the information given in that videos and on these slides. So that's it for today. In next session, we will learning about water animals. So goodbye children.